The pre-match photo.
That's so interesting. Kaizer, Mart, they'll be required to do that dirty work there with Sereno playing as a 10, but they are requiring a speed. That is Lilepo, Modi and Duba.
On Tuesday, the others, Makaula, Maswanganyi, and the left back, Dino.
And they'll be expected to add on numbers whenever they attack, but they're also very stable in that midfield, Makaula and Mbata. Songanyi playing just in front of them, and
the last two matches. So all the formalities done. We'll see one of these two teams leave here later on this afternoon with the Nedbank Cup trophy in tow. Pirates get us underway. Yes. Now Duba sets up a good opportunity. Is that a penalty? Referee says yes. Kaizer Chiefs have a chance for another early start. Big call from referee Bambiso. Well, it took them 4 minutes to take the lead last Saturday, and they've got an excellent opportunity now to go ahead again in the early stages.
How productive is Modi? On the left-hand side, good combination there with Duba. Takes a chance, get inside the box. You always urge the attacking players. Once you're inside the box, you are the boss.
Up against Sipo Chain. Kaizer Chiefs with the chance to take the lead inside the opening 10 minutes. Here comes Sereno, tucks it away. Chiefs are in the lead. Keeper went the right way, but it was expertly struck by the Uruguayan.
Yeah, a player that we spoke about earlier, that there'll be so much expectations from him, being a player that played among the Sundowns in a cup final like this. There's a lot that's going to be expected from him, to be brave, to be confident, to step up and put it in. That says a lot about his mentality, says a lot as well about his character. That's the confidence that Kaizer Chiefs need.
Well, Orlando Pirates certainly not happy about the decision. Otto with the left, curls it. Back pass, what a goal! Textbook stuff. Oh, the big man comes up trumps again. Oh, he likes scoring derby goals, does Evidence Makapa. Simply done. Out jumping the defence and putting Pirates right back in the game.
Yeah, indeed. And if you have to look back, you can one can say it is a set piece that Kaizer Chiefs could have avoided. But then with the first set piece, Orlando Pirates taking advantage with those men starting in an offside position, causing confusion at Kaizer Chiefs backline. And the big man at the back, you can see with the delivery there from Mohoto. So much height on the ball. Mahopa made sure that he stayed onside. Made it very, very difficult for any Peterson or any defender to do anything with it. You can see also it was defended by Lilepo. Such a great header there from Mahopa. That's what it is. And I think with Kaizer Chiefs, just after scoring, conceding that set piece, they could have defended it better.
Oh, Shotya! On the full volley from Maswanganyi after the setup from Mofokeng. Otto on the edge of the area. Here's Makaula. Fires it over the top. Not a man used to scoring goals. He has got one this season.
Yeah. You can see also with that rare smile. No.
This is excellent stuff from the Buccaneers. The shot, near post save. Now, was that on target from Nkota or not?
Looks like it was on target for Nkota. Making sure that he cuts into stronger foot. Nice combination play from Orlando Pirates. It forces Modi then to come back and to become a left back, because Kaizer Chiefs, they really want to defend with three.
Second one of the game for the Buccaneers. Maswanganyi. Now Van Rooyen goes for goal. Trouble there for Peterson. 10 minutes. Hoppers here on the left. That's a great little ball into Mofokeng. Mofokeng teasing. This is Mofokeng territory. Shoved off the ball by Ignacio Miguel. Referee pondered for a second or two.
Such a tricky player whenever he gets into his favorite position of his. You don't know where he's going to shoot. And very cleverly there, but Miguel making sure that he stays tall.
Now Hotto gets ahead of Solomons into the area. Dion Hotto trying to set up Mahopa. Out wide here to Nkota. He goes to the byline. That's a corner Good work from Edmilson.
It's a good touch there from Moto. Very, very dangerous. Once he touches, he gets just in the right scoring positions. It becomes very difficult, especially in that the speed that he comes in with. It becomes very difficult.
Now Mordi. Cross inside. Header on target. Enough power really to the 70s. Oh, Ignacio Miguel pulling back on Nkota. He is going to get a yellow.
Maybe because he wasn't the last man in that defense. You could see that Nkota was gone with his speed, with his pace. It's always going to be a problem. It's always the challenge that I was looking forward to. But you can see here Miguel there.
Tabok Pele into Duba, looking for the return ball. Finds Duba. This is promising. Oh, Duba, a pass across to the Lepo, and Chiefs would have been in.
Exactly. Played beautiful football there. Pele being the center of it, making sure that they find those type of rhythms. Clever little 1-2.
The referee says play on. Here's Nkota into the penalty area, teasing Edmilson onto that left foot. Just wide. Did Peterson get a touch? Referee says no. Goal kick.
Yeah, I think with Nkota, he needs to trust his curler. He needs to work on it, because once you get into that area there, you have to try and force the goalkeeper to make a save on the furthest post. And we've seen him the second time around and trying to sneak it into the first post where Peterson was covered. Here's that interception as well from Mbogasi.
First change. We could have as many as 12. Remember, if we go into extra time, teams are allowed to have 6. Sibongiseni and Tetwa on. Held up by Duba, and the linesman's flags up, which... Oh, it's getting really feisty now. Well, Duba does have a bit of a hot temper on him, and linesman Mokoena has done well there to keep him away from more trouble. He'll afford to lose Makaula. Right, so Sereno is the first one to go off. Shabalala to take his place. Ashley Dupria will be coming on for Duba. Two interesting changes there, Teko.
There are interesting changes as well, but really possibly now, if there is a substitution, that will be the one that made. But as a right winger, he needs to be...
Now here's Dupria. Dragging it back. Shabalala, the two substitutes. Can they conjure something up here? Ball inside. Did well to get it across Shabalala. Yeah. Bokazi with a interception.
I mean, Bokazi has been exceptional in that Solana Pies defense, but Shabalala bringing that little bit of confidence. The two substitution combining as well. You can see Shabalala trying to delay.
Shabalala, he certainly livened things up. He has a chance for Mordi. Oh! Was that a fine save from Chain? Or did he put it wide?
I think it hit the upright. I think Chain didn't make a save, but good control from Modi. Shabalala.
Tetwa gets in the way as Mbakazi clears, and now a chance for Shabalala. Shabalala taking too much time potentially. Dupria. Ball back in again. Shot! Oh, what a goal from Yusuf Mart! Yusuf Mart, who has now scored 3 in the derby. That was hit on the half volley, superbly finished. It looked like a left footer as well.
It was a left foot indeed. When the ball looked like it was dead, with Shabalala, the ball was in between his leg inside the box, unable to find his feet. The ball went wide. Dupree as well, bringing in that cross, it finds Yusuf Mart high up the pitch inside the box with a left volley.
What a goal! Celebrations for Kaizer Chiefs. And Yusuf Mart has scored that extraordinary derby goal at Soccer City from inside his own half. This might not be as stylish as that one, but I tell you what, it's a lot more important.
Exactly. Look at here. You can see undecisiveness, but also what helps as well, the Dupree putting himself, staying onside, bringing the ball in. There's a man there, the half volley. There needs a high concentration from him.
Ball inside to Mofokeng. Mofokeng stopped by Mart, who clears away. The other interesting thing, Teko, is Orlando Kaizer possession, and Modi will take on Sabisi here. Cut inside, get past Mbata too, and get the free kick.
Good play there from Modi. You can see they're trying to open up a little bit, waiting for Dupree.
Mbata. Still Mbata. Caught by Modi. That's going to be a yellow card for Pule Modi.